The longevity of frozen chicken, a deep dive.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle an important question many of us have pondered in our kitchens. Can frozen chicken be stored for longer than the recommended duration? Let's dig into some food science and storage tips to get a clear answer.
What is the recommended duration for storing frozen chicken?
The USDA recommends storing frozen chicken up to 1 year for optimal quality. This is under the condition that your freezer maintains a consistent temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius, or below. However, remember that this is a quality assurance guideline rather than a strict safety cutoff.
Can frozen chicken be stored longer?
Technically, yes. If a freezer stays at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius, or below, the chicken could theoretically be safe to eat indefinitely. But, there's a catch: the quality diminishes over time. Beyond the recommended duration, you'll likely notice a decline in texture, flavor, and overall quality.
What are the risks of storing chicken too long?
The primary risks involve quality and taste deterioration. The chicken may develop freezer burn, resulting in a dry, tough texture and a bland or off flavor. It's also possible for the chicken to absorb odors from other items in the freezer over time. It's important to note, however, that these issues don't necessarily make the chicken unsafe to eat, they just make it less appetizing.
What are the best practices for freezing chicken?
To maintain quality, follow these tips. Use airtight packaging. Wrap the chicken properly in freezer paper, aluminum foil, or place it in a heavy-duty freezer bag to protect it from air. Portion the chicken. Freeze in portions that you will use at one time. Date the packages. Mark the date on the packages so you can keep track of how long they've been frozen. In conclusion, while frozen chicken may be safe to eat for longer than the recommended duration, its quality will likely suffer. To enjoy the best taste and texture, try to use your frozen chicken within the USDA's suggested 1-year time frame. And don't forget those freezing tips for optimal quality. Thanks for joining in today. Stay food savvy and safe in your kitchens.